you can't see, making new memories with me. What happened to forever? Now we're not together. I know it's time you probably need a break to see if you would do whatever, ever, ever, ever. What happened to forever? You know.
Turn around, I feel the breeze over me. You watch your dreams unfold. Let it come around and let it breathe over me. It's time to go away into the light. I feel the calming energy. I see the darkness coming, and I'm calling you to hear me with you against the wall. You had us body to body. I can't help the way you make me feel. It's so hard to copy. Let's find common ground. Meet me in the lost and found. Yeah. Dark days turning into dark nights. I hit the strip and spend it all. I'm having hard times. I reminisce and have me looking through the archives. I seen a picture of you looking like a star shines. And you're bright, 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 bright. Like the lights on a fight night, night. Love hit me like a mic. You know I'ma get it right. So stay with me. Run away with me. Need like a dope fiend, need dope. Need like a coke fiend, need coke. Your heart cold, ski slope. I really hope the song bringing me close.
Hey Chad, what is going on, baby? Welcome back to Wall Street Sessions. I hope you guys are ready. I hope you guys are locked and loaded. It's going to be a good one. It's going to come. It's going to be fast. And the cracker, I think the cracker might be onto something good today. Chris, how you feeling, brother?
Always good, always good. Everything is now loud again. 1 2 1 2. Now I'm feeling good. We're back at 14k. 8 people unsubscribed.
That's childish, guys. That's childish. Not like we were going to stay there. But hey, the chat is strong. They will get us right back there. So whoever those 8 people were, I think
Ruben actually went on his mother's phone and brought us back. Yeah.
Hey Ruben, we appreciate you, brother. We appreciate you. But yeah, guys, I think unfortunately, I was on the stream when we got hit 14k. Well, technically I was at the end. But it looks like the boys were providing the pips as usual in the London session. But in celebration of 14k, Chris, I'm correct, we are still giving away an account today as well, New York.
Yeah, I believe the lady or gentleman, it was a very strange name that won. I think that person got the account already. So do you want to do it before we start? I think we can.
We got time, bro. We can do it first.
I think we'll pray first and then we'll do.
Yeah. As always, Chris, you're going to open us up with that prayer, brother.
I will lead us into prayer. Chad, just checking out this black shirt for you guys. It looks just like a floating head. You don't see the body. It's just the head moving. Looks very weird, dude. We need to do something with the backlighting here. But Chad, Father, we just want to thank you for this day. Thank you for bringing us all back safely here. Thank you for giving us the opportunity to do what we love. Father, thank you for each and every gift that comes from your hand. We pray that you will guide Keegan into the session. You'll guide myself. Give us wisdom. Give us insight. Father, and we just pray that you will make our why stronger. Thank you for giving us opportunities that we wouldn't have had without your grace and your mercies. And thank you for opportunities still to come. Thank you for awesome community. We pray that you will be with each and everyone watching, each and everyone that gets in contact with us, each and everyone that we interact with. Father, we pray that you will meet them right there where they are. And we pray this, and we believe this, and we believe your word. And we pray and ask this in the mighty name of Jesus. And if you believe it, Chad, you can drop an amen right now in the chat.
Amen. That is beautiful stuff, guys. But
Give me a number range, Geeks.
as you said, let's get this little giveaway going. In celebration, guys, I think we're going to start off and we're going to go 1,000 to 1,100.
Chat 3, 2, 1. We are live. Live at 5.
Let's see who's awake here, guys. You can't be sleeping here in New York session. Who's it gonna be? Who's it gonna be?
And the winner is yet to be announced.
His number's coming in fast.
Coming in hot.
Let's see, let's see, let's see.
It's above 1,000. Menti.
Hey,
Menti, you are the winner, my brother. Well done.
Menti, I know you've been around for a while.
Yeah, he knows the process. Menti, just confirm that you know the process, my brother. Let's just see. Mentosa.
Remind me.
Oh, Menti. Keeks, just tell them. Right, go on.
Alright, Menti, all you're going to need to do, brother, you're going to just need to message support. So support@vaultfunder.trade. All you need to do is send them a screenshot of your YouTube username that we can see it is you, and then the email address you have as the registered account with Vault Funder. So if you don't have one, just register and that email address sent through as well, and then they can get that account sent over to you. All right, but there we go, guys. I think without further ado, jump into the good stuff here, starting us off with the fundamental chats. So very day filled out here, all the PMIs coming out, but the main thing we're going to focus, 230, we had unemployment claims for the dollar coming out, a little bit of a drop there. Thing for me is that is going to show us obviously strength in the dollar, but it is also going to show strength in the economy, so we can see indices actually have a little bit of a spark with that. Obviously lining up to the main event for the dollar today, 345, so 50 minutes after market open. This could give us two things. It could either mean it can go along with the cracker and we could see a massive move on the cracker, or the cracker, we get in, we get out, and this could almost be the reversal play after the cracker. So it could go two ways. That's obviously however you want to manage your trades. But we do have the PMI coming up pretty much after the cracker and once the open range has been set. So that's going to be a good one. For manufacturing, they're looking at an increase, and also for flash services, they're actually for a decrease. So a little bit of an interesting one here to see what's going to happen there. And then new home sales at 4 o'clock, which again, I'm not even too focused on, but we'll just see what happens. So let's go to the charts and have a look there. So XY, I'm still pretty much bullish, guys, but again, I'm going to say a little bit of a neutral outlook. Obviously, we know we are seeing that kind of dollar strength from those fundamental releases, depending on what again happens with PMI. But for me, I always talk about we are in a range. There's the break. Again, trying to test, meaning we're going all the way to the top of the range. We've now tested the range. We can always come back down, but this is still the first day. So if this closes bearish, then I'll most likely for the rest of the week go bearish to go back to 103.450. But this can always find support like it is now at the daily S1 and come all the way right back. As we can see, no top wick over there. So no top wick. This thing can completely flip now with having news coming out and go all the way back to a daily key level and even break higher than that to continue this dollar momentum, which again, I do prefer dollar strength, especially the idea of fundamentals driving that, and how things are going with everything else at the moment with elections coming up. Very good chance we can see a move, probably even back to 105.300, but that's just my personal opinion. Then going over to Nasdaq, what we're looking at here, again, weekly I'm on the neutral side of things, purely that being we can obviously see this over there, but why I'm saying that is on, let's go there, Monday, sorry. Monday we obviously had a little bit of a run trying to get back to these highs. Tuesday was the key thing for me, coming back to test these bodily highs, big rejection, then closing back under this, tested at 20,000 psychological level, but trading back up now. This can almost be that retest of the weekly pivot and then continue back to the downside. So as I said, keeping that neutral outlook. On the 4 hour we are seeing this over here, but again, quite an influential area here for us, holding its resistance. But this was a clear breakaway candle, and you guys know I always talk about I want to see the trade back in to retrace that breakaway or test that breakaway level, and then continuations after that. But again, have an idea of neutral, because you can break, possibly find support now at that weekly pivot, and then continue to the top side. So just going to monitor that, but I definitely am looking a little bit bearish. But again, finally this week we've had some news or heavy news come out, and that can be a deal breaker. So after all this bearish momentum, we have 2 days of news that could literally push these pairs to go and flip on the weekly. So definitely got to be careful about that now. US City, same thing, neutral. I'm not going to say I'm necessarily bearish. Okay, I will say I'm leaning a bit to the bearish side purely because of technicals. Technicals obviously taking out those bodily lows, taking out this key level over here on the highs, and now we are seeing it starting to find a little bit of a range. If it can't get back above this level for me over here, then I'm going to look again definitely at this thing going bearish, taking out these lows, and the big move continuing back down into these levels over here, this range we can start to see. So definitely can see that bearish momentum if it doesn't come in. Otherwise, this thing for me needs to break back above here, get above those highs, find support, and go same as Nasdaq, go retest that breakaway level, which again, in the higher, the bigger picture is technically just a 50% retracement and then a continuation to the downside. So definitely going to be looking for that. So big thing here, EQ untested with that level, so always the possibility of going back up, and then it's where you need to now start thinking, monitoring the trade, because again, can reverse, otherwise it can break, find support, go all the way back to previous weekly lows, just shy of that, and then find the level where it either then continues and pulls back. So that's on US30. And then on gold, gold I'm definitely still pretty much bullish, going to be bullish for quite a while. Obviously back down here, I see there was quite a bit of aggressive sell-off this morning. I'm not too sure what that was. I really wasn't watching the markets then, but trading itself back very, very nicely. Same thing I've been preaching with everything else. You can see how we had that breakaway level coming all the way back now to get back to it. So again, I do think that's going to be on the cards here. We can see where this level started off there, finally breaking away. Also these bodily lows. So even if we look at technically on the 1 hour, we can see over here, you've got these bodily lows, and that right there for you was where we traded. Once we had the break underneath those lows, the retest and the big move to the downside. So technically gold has already now retested that breakaway, and if it holds this momentum, gold for me is probably going back up to that weekly R1. So back to about 27.50 is what I'd be looking for. But pretty much everything from my side. Chris, what you looking at, brother?
QX, thank you. That was incredible. Just the way that you performed that analysis just shows me that you know what's cracking.
You see what the crack is there.
Wait, before.
You know what, hey? Firstly, I'm actually say, you know what, I'm gonna take it.
No, dude,
because
I
my
told
my
you.
thing is just this whole Monday, Tuesday, we were like, the buys are nice. We wanted the buys, and then we got wrecked.
Yeah.
Today we were like, hey, the buys would be nice. It's obviously a sell, so I'm not gonna fight it. If it's telling me a nice to sell, it's not agreeing with me, then I'll go with it.
Hey, the cracker. All right, Chad, let's get straight through the analysis. We've got 10 minutes here to quickly steamroll this analysis. There's the XY major key level. We've traded into it. No top wick on this daily. Dollar data to still come out, so dollar lagging behind this morning, afternoon, wherever you are. There's your daily pivot level, still untested. There's your 200 EMA. This level here, I think, is some type of yearly R1 or R2, but it's a key level. There's your daily S1 holding. I'm going to be bullish on the dollar while we hold above that daily S1 to come all the way back here. Very, very simple for me. I don't know why that white line is still there. Every day it's there, but anyway. US30, as mentioned, we are technically bearish. And I told you guys, just purely looking at what we've had as of late, this is the first time in a while where we've had 3 bearish daily down days. The last time we had that was during August, and on the 4th day we had this minor flat day there. So yeah, Chad, I'm expecting some type of range bound day. So I think Keegan could be right. We could go up, we could go down, we could close with a flat body like this. All right. Asia highs taken. Asia lows barely nipped around about 12 o'clock. There's your weekly S2. It is an interesting one. Bullish above here for me. Bearish below Asia lows. So still within these two ranges for me. Nasdaq, very, very simple on the daily. Mentioned that we are somewhat bearish if we can hold below this zone here. So there's still the chance for this daily to flip bearish and go all the way down to fill that wick. So yet to be seen. Going to be an interesting daily close. There's that little red zone. I spoke about it this morning. Bullish above Asia highs, bearish below Asia lows, and the daily pivot. So interesting one. There's the weekly pivot. That is the weekly pivot. Gold. Chad, gold has been messy. I told you guys it is technically bearish. Gold is bearish on the day. But I also showed you technically we've had structures like this where gold just turned around. So gold for me, long-term bullish, short-term volatile, and absolutely just mauling the guys. So this morning we spoke about this zone here, 27.35. I was looking for potential shorts. If we rejected there, we held above there now, 27.40. Very likely we're going to that daily R1, otherwise 27.40, monitor that. 27.45. This playlist is taking us through
all the emotions,
dude. It was hype, it was sad songs, it was love songs. We're getting all of it here this morning. You thought you had your Kellogg's, you got it all this morning. You're getting it here with this playlist. GBP USD still technically bearish for me. Massive pull to the daily. There's that key zone there, and this thing can shift back inside here, but I'm still bearish. All right, I'm looking at potential shorts here this afternoon. This zone here, I'm not going to buy here, absolutely not. I am looking for shorts below here. That is me personally. There's the daily R1, the previous weekly low. If we get some type of bullish price action above here, I'll just stay out. I'll wait for the daily to close. But my plan here, very simple. I'm looking for shorts here. Why? Look at this. All of this move up. At one stage, we need to correct. So while we reject there, get below here. Shorts are on deck for me this afternoon. For GU, GJ, little bit messy. The daily is super bullish. Daily is very bullish. We've got that wick to fill. And I'm looking at GU's cleaner for me, but I'm also looking at this. If you trade GJ, this zone here, monthly R1, half round number, breaks and holds above there, I think you are good. This thing can run. So those are my setups for today. GU, I'll have a on chat. So Keeks, over to you, my brother.
Yeah, Brian, just answering your thing there. Very cool to have Dwayne part of it. Definitely, I think, going to be an interesting part of the Ultimate Trader. I think the guys are starting to heat up for it. Definitely seeing the coaches being named. That might not be the end, as some guys have seen. So still a few more coaches lined up there. So guys need to make the most of it this time around. Let's see. No wrench and all. Hey, Roche, don't worry, bro. You play at 23, bro. CFN too soon, brother. G 10 pips coming soon.
Hey, the guys are judgmental, yeah. So sells it is, Keeks.
Hey, bro, I didn't say anything. The chat said so.
Sells it is.
USD already gapping on VF. Sure. Player 23, there's a Jan for every team.
Yes, that was a good one, Jan.
Great. Now I'm not the only one picking on the two of them. Rashay Channing from Miami.
Rashay needs a wrench. No, Rashay, we can't wrench. Maybe if Rashay gives us a solid banger on Friday, we're going to wrench him. Let's see what Rashay brings.
Hey, Rashay, there's some pressure, bro.
If Rashay gives us... So I'm already putting Rashay on the short list here. I'm already, let me just write Riche down here. If Riche produces a banger on Friday and the chat agrees, then Riche, we're going to arrange him officially on Friday.
Shout out to Jean-Lee, best mentor in the game. Shout out to Jean. I don't know if we're going to stay at the game. The man's up there. You got to fight it out, bro. There's a thing called the ultimate trader. He needs to come prove it with the boys.
Rumor has it the traffic on the FSCA site. Hey, Incognita, I think people are checking, hey, what do I need to do? Oh, damn, RE exam. Oh, class of business. Oh, shit, a CIE clearance form.
Bangers.
Oh, damn, are they going to look at my taxes? Oh. Incognito, you know what I think, though? I think the thing that scares them the most is that, is it CIE or the IE, that intellectual clearance they have to do, where they check your taxes and everything. And I think that's what scares them.
You know, the only thing for me, bro, is I think a lot of guys, to even get on this board and to make sure you're legit. Now again, guys, I'm not saying it's a bad thing, but if you are going to work with people's money, you at least need to have a matric certificate.
Yo, Keegan's now going in, bro.
Like, I'm just saying, that's like the first hurdle some of these guys have to get over. Guys, it's my first on stream. Is there maybe an introduction? My brother, everything's in the description, brother. Just check out that description.
How about, can I be an FSP if I don't have matric? Incognito, I had a call last night with the guys and I explained to them the need to... So here's the thing, quickly, before we open up these markets. Keeks, here's your horn. Imagine this. You go to the barista at the coffee shop and you ask him, you say, dude, I've got $1 million rand. Where must I invest it? And he's like, dude, invested in ABC Property Group. It's a good investment. You invested there. You lose 50%. You go to the court. You said this barista, wherever, said I must buy that. Then the court's going to say, but why did you take financial advice from somebody that does not have a clue what's going on in the financial industry? He's not clued up. He's not fit and proper to do so. We can't do anything. You're an idiot. And it's exactly the same with financial advice. It's like, I took this guy's signal. This guy is called NASDAQ Ape. And then they'll say, but there's your first problem. There's the word ape in the name. And you're taking financial advice from this guy? All right. We can't help you.
Markets open, round 8. Ding, 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 ding. Fight. Let's see. This thing's choosing violence today. This is the US30 we want to see. Hurt some people, just not me, please. I'm a bit crucial. I'm fragile this week.
Oh, let me just get my chart.
It's been a tough week here for the people.
Okay.
Hey, bro.
Yeah. Ooh. Oh, damn. Can't take anything here, eh? Yeah. Has to get into the cheese at least.
We haven't taken anything, Chad.
Please note that this is not financial advice. Please consult with your financial advisor before making any financial decisions. You will lose money if you follow what we do or say on these streams. Thank you so much for reading the terms and conditions and the disclaimer in the description of this video. We thank you for your continued support, likes, and subscribes on this channel. It's in a weird spot though. It's a very weird.
Yeah.
20 seconds. Oof. What time is that data? Ooh, okay, I must get ready here. What time is that data coming? 14 minutes. Your kicks.
Hey, bro.
3, 2, 1.
All right, Chad. We are in.
Cognito.
Just trying to get my stop first because that
Yeah, that's
always
the
seems to
first thing,
run.
dude. That's the first thing. Okay, damn.
This thing always just wants to hurt us.
Where's 40? Why do I feel like we've done 40? Is that 40? No. It's basically almost 40. Don't make us work for it today. Don't make us work for it today.
Don't do it today. Come on.
The cracker honestly can't make us work for it today. Give us one easy one. Give us one quick one, like just
Just being on our side for once. Once this week.
just one quick
The
one.
typical cracker.
Okay. Almost time. Okay. No, not yet. Not yet. Okay, there. I'm halving.
There we go. Yeah.
Halves. Okay. Halves. What is this? If this 1 minute fails to, I might go break even. Just purely because it's Asia lows,
I'm
guys.
in break even there already, bro.
There you go.
Bro,
Okay, I'm with you. I'm break even as well.
I've taken a few knocks here this week.
No, I'm break even. It's Asia lows. It's struggling to get through there. It's Asia lows. It did close to 50 though, so it would be silly to take a knock. It would absolutely be horrific to take a knock. And it is at Asia lows though. That's the thing. It can bounce here.
Yeah.
Why don't we buy? Because we technically have a risk-free bullet. I'm just saying, it's a risk-free bullet. Come on, cracker. You just need a
Bring it
closure
home.
below that Asia lows. Asia lows. Closure below Asia. This thing is gonzo.
Just bring it home, cracker. Do it for the people.
Teleport down. 11 minutes for that data. Come on. Go, go, go. Do it, do it. Do it for the people.
Come on.
Yes, they did. It's making us work again. We're sweating here. And it's pretty moist in here on its own, eh? You know that. There we go. Clap.
Come on, baby. The cracker has drawn it up, guys. We are all square going into the finals tomorrow.
Oh.
2 out of 4. This is still game. It ain't over to that fat lady singing. The
So.
cracker ain't going down without a fight yet, Chad. Even Billy's back.
Ah, beautiful. So that's cracker this month is 5R.
We are not going down without a fight, ladies and gents.
That felt good. Well done, Keegs. Well done.
Hey, buddy. Buddy was like, he's not done. This is personal now.
Okay, wait, what did I miss? Alright, Keeks, that is the session. See, no, I'm kidding. Puppers and Dippers still sticking around for the open range trade. Puppers and Dippers. Oh, that thing is just dying now, dude. That thing is just collapsing.
Nothing wrong with that trade there, Chad. Nothing wrong with that.
How does it feel to be a winner again here, Keeks?
Feels good, bro. Feels
just
good.
to alleviate some of that pressure. You're going to feel good when you go home now tonight. You're going to be like, I can breathe again.
Yeah, I actually still do remember how to trade.
And the thing is, you know what's weird? Last week you went 4 out of 5. You lose 2 and it's like, go out of your mind. It's like, world is ending.
Nah, it really is, bro. It really is like that, though. This thing can still do some damage, bro.
We're not going to trade PMI. I feel like the FSCA should have a live streaming unit that goes around and they actually go through the live streams and they're like, alright, who's this guy live streaming? Let's see what he does.
What does this one do?
And then it's like, Chad, FSCA is in the Chad. FSCA, we just welcome you. Part of the giveaway. FSCA is giving away 5 RE5s this month for 5 lucky Signal Signal mentors. And they'll be like in the chat, giving away 5 RE5s and 1 RE1. And giving away FSP. So join as the FSCA does a giveaway. We should actually make a video.
Sure, bro.
Bro, the FSCA will do numbers, dude. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. It is the FSCA, and we just want to let you guys know we are doing an absolute banger of a giveaway this month. We will be choosing 3 of your mentors to absolutely help them get licensed. Chad, imagine that, the FSCA doing giveaways.
That would be crazy, bro. But you know, bro, it's the same thing as I always thought, like, I find it so funny that the Federal Reserve has a YouTube channel.
Dude, that thing is banging.
Like it's crazy, but to me, like, I find that so funny, bro.
I wonder who gets the money from the views. Do you think they monetized it? Hey, Plamena's in the chat. Keeks, she says,
I agree.
you're looking cute while you're clapping US 30's cheeks.
Plamena, where's my compliments? It's all drawn up now. It's equal playing field going into tomorrow.
Bro, that's going to be funny. Joe Ash starting his own live streaming channel.
Yeah, that actually will be quite funny.
Linda Bar is putting in a shift today. Tesla up 17% today. Guys, all I said, I love Elon. I personally will not bet against Elon. I love the dude. Why are you laughing? Because I almost go. I love the dude.
Elon's a G.
He's a Sia Peasy, my brother, back from the dead, the prodigal Keeks. Just blow that on. Sia Peasy back. Good to see you. Sia feels like normal again. Sia's back in the house. Welcome, my brother. Plamena, no man. Plamena, we talked. Plamena, wait. Plamena, we talked about this. Come on, man. You can't always be that person. Come on.
Like, hey,
We got
that's my thing, bro. When
Hey.
you win and then they still want to be salty.
No, man, Plamena. Come on. Come on, Plamena. Why are you gay, Chris? Hey, man. Nah, I just love what Elon does. He's a legend. Chad, the man is like one of the richest people on earth, and he still has time to crack some jokes. And for instance, when everyone said Elon won't ever buy Twitter, this and that, and for me the best was when he walked in with that kitchen sink, and the caption was "Let that sink in," and I was like, dude, that guy, the troll level on that is for me. He broke me there. I was like, nah. Elon is just way ahead. Let that sink in.
Yeah,
Dude,
we will
I
take
feel,
another one.
you know what? I feel Plamena is one of the mentors that's watching here.
Yeah.
Chad, does any one of you know how to track the IP? Okay, I've got somebody. Let me actually just copy this URL quickly. I'm going to ask our trusty technological provider. Let me just put Chad, give me till tomorrow. Wait, I'm quickly gonna chat.
Let's find out
Yeah,
who
let's
Plamena is.
find out who this. Give me 1 second. Okay, let's see what he says. Our trusty tech provider. We will let you guys know. For sure no one's meant to, okay. Chad, there's that only thing now. 2 minutes. 2 minutes. Previous weekly, yeah, I'm gonna have to wait for the news. Let's see what the news does, because this thing can still explode. GU. This thing can still explode. Yeah, we're taking the opening range trade. Dude, I wonder when Plamena will... okay, wait. I know I'm going to send it to you as well quickly. I have somebody, but if you guys have the ability as well... I know you guys are also pretty rigged. I know I sent it to you. Oh, look at that. Data came out.
What is the matter?
I'm gonna tell. Ooh, solid. Not shooting lights out, but solid. Solid across the board. All right, Chad. There's that move I spoke about. If we can close enough to this level here, and we can create a nice stop wick there, I'm gonna actually take a sell stop on the low. This is for GU. Nice little double top here. Nice little double top there. Weekly S1 key level. Previous weekly low. Daily R1. Look at this price. Just can't hold above it. So I needed to close below here. Closure below here. Nice little top wick. Break of the lows. And yeah, I'm happy with that. I just want a nice strong bodily closure. I don't want a closure like there with this big wick. But if it just pulls back on top, I'm still gonna wait. Closure below. So just get ready for that, Chad. Gonna need to see a top wick first though. Kiggs, you monitoring that opening range for us, eh?
I'm watching it, bro. I got it, yeah.
Chris, your voice should be on Nat Geo Wild, so call me. As we sit here in the forest watching GBP USD trying to make a getaway from the weekly S1 level. 254 traders sit and wait, looking at two gentlemen talking about firecrackers and selling stonks. Many believe that it's not possible for two young gentlemen to engage almost 300 people in one sitting, taking trades. Ooh. Peter Matter asking Keeks, do you still take it on 1 minute or waiting for the 5 minute?
Probably the 5, brother.
5, alright.
I think purely just because you got news that came out now, so this thing can go either way.
What is GJ doing? GJ also. GJ looking to fight. Yo. Chad, GJ also looking pretty spicy. Yeah, the spice level is quite high there. There's that daily S1 holding again. I think we just need to be, or not we, I need to be patient. There's no we here. It's just me and Keegan trading for entertainment and educational purposes only. And then yeah, this is interesting. I might this thing can run away though. Chad, as calming as my voice is, this is a potential break and continuation here. I'm going to consider it. If we can close there, that's a session high, that's the daily high. If we can close there, all of these failures to close above, this is going to be a closure. If we can open up, tap that monthly R1 level, but I'm going to need a stronger close than that. That is just, no, that's weak. No, that's weak beans there. But then you've got that little wick there. Okay, that, you just get GJ on a, ooh. 7 seconds. Give it a little squizzle. Ooh, no, Chad, it closed below the 50. Closed below the 50. You're gonna be patient on this one, even though it shows it closed above the 50 on my broker feed.
Be aggressive, bro. Be aggressive. Be
Why
aggressive.
do you wanna get me into trouble? Get me into trouble. Get me into trouble. The aggressive setup here though is if this thing flips bullish, you've got this 7 pip wick, a 10 pip wick. Keeks, I might, let me just go aggressive here.
Sheesh.
Let me just go aggressive here. Oh, I'm in. Let me just pull my stop. Okay, this is on the advice of Keegan. Be aggressive. So I am in a buy here on GJ after Keegan said be aggressive. Thank you for that, Keegs, for getting me to be more aggressive on my trading.
Hey, bro. It's fine. I know you just need that little push, bro.
Okay. Real talk here. Once we break that eye there, I'm going to go break even. because that's where the volume needs to come in. And why is my voice so shaky? Come on. Nine minutes. What's that?
Oh, Michael. He's giving Chris financial advice here, so if it fails, you can take him to court, Chris.
What am I doing, dude? Okay, I'm gonna need to see something in 2 minutes here. A little pop. Pop it for us. Pop it for the boys.
Yeah, I'm just waiting for you to study, guys.
Here's the thing. Test 1, test 2. This thing doesn't have to go up, but there's liquidity resting here. For the retail trader, this looks like a beautiful, beautiful short. And for the trained eye, it looks like liquidity to be targeted. But will I be the liquidity? That is the thing. As trained as your eye looks, will I be the liquidity? Song's got quite a build up though.
The
Will
retail
I
rats.
be the liquidity? Can I grab liquidity or will I be liquidity?
Ooh, those are the questions.
Put that on a t-shirt.
Those are the questions.
Chad, as soon as it hits that level, I want to see teleportations. I want to see volume bashing in here like it's nobody's business. Come on. Come on. 40 seconds. Give us a pop. Close at least here for us. Don't close there. 30 seconds. Oh. No. That's the wrong side. If we close like this, I'm out. Just letting you guys know. It needs to hold above the monthly R1. If it closes like that, I'm not giving away any liquidity here. 10, let me just get ready here. 8, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Killed. Out. I was the liquidity. Minus 6.7. Oh no. What is GU doing? Okay, GU trying to create some type of support there. Chad, reason why I took this trade, there is definitely a lot of liquidity resting above here. I was never going to hold it into this massive monthly R1 level. I wanted to close above, but I do feel this level can be ran. This is just way too clean for a retail trader's eyes. And I think there's a lot of shorts building up here, and at one stage they are going to pop the shorts. But the cracker giving me some free margin there.
Wow, US studies being aggressive, bro.
Wait, let me just check what US 30 is doing.
Had a fake out, now it's going bullish, but it's just also retested Asia lows.
So the opening range. So it's technically had the fake out already below, eh?
Yeah, on the 1 minute you'll see it. 1 minute, there's your fake out.
Ooh. No, but why is my... Oh, sorry, that there. You don't execute on that, Kicks. Only thing is, do you classify that as a retest though? I
That's the
don't.
thing for me, there's no retest. That's why I didn't execute. And then obviously that massive pull up, which I was like, you could take it there, but that's very aggressive. But the thing that which I didn't take it was purely because that was a perfect test of the Asia lows. So that thing can literally just be the pullback and this thing can still come down.
Oh, okay, what's this hourly gonna do? British hourly.
Let's think, yeah, we got some news here. So those numbers coming out pretty solid. Both bullish numbers. New home sales coming out at 4 in 2 minutes. But from that, what would you necessarily like to see these pairs do?
From that data?
Yeah.
The only thing is if you look at the differential between all of them, that's the only thing. Let's quickly look at the standard deviations between all of them. So Eurozone, specifically Germany, we had almost a 2 standard deviation away from the forecast. ECB, you almost had a 2 standard deviation away for manufacturing. And then pound, obviously, had a big miss. So pound had almost a 2.6 deviation from their forecast. So in general, I want to say almost that the Eurozone has got a bit of a upper hand on it. But in terms of the data, it's solid, dude. It's solid economic data. It's not horrific. So I would like to see the US 30 buying, if I'm honest.
Yeah, so my thing was, I'm thinking the same, and the fact that reversal play would have been beautiful. But NASDAQ and US30 not really getting away with it.
Honestly, Keeks, what I'm thinking is it's going to be a flat day. I think it's going to be a flat day. Like I said, it's going to be a rangy day. Price is going to try and establish some type of support or some type of momentum. And yeah, that's what I'm thinking.
No, it definitely can be. End of the day, guys, I think it's always nice to get more trades, but obviously, I mean, we do already have our 60 pips for the days, so we just have to see what happens here now. I still think if this thing can close above this Asia lows, it definitely has a chance. Keeks, your open range break low isn't on the 1545, bro. So technically, Dow is still on the open range. Just then you know, it is. Yeah, my brother, but keep in mind that is the 445 candle. So that candle closes after 45, just before it becomes 46. So your open range is actually last candle
40.
is the 44.
No, it's the go on your 5.
No, but that's if
the
you're
5
doing
minute
the
that
5.
starts on 40. So you can't go 45 because the candle that opens up on the 45 is the one.
Well, even then, it's still correct though.
Correcto.
Yeah. Yeah, because just keep in mind that 45 is 45 to 46.
How did okay, new home sales, very good. Solid home sales coming out. What is GU doing? GU is on a mission of its own.
Nah, perfect, guys. No, it's a easy thing to just misunderstand or get wrong. I heard the heavy things at the gym. What? Forex Inside essay. I heard the heavy things at gym. Is that true? I don't like picking up heavy.
What? Heavy. I had heavy things.
He's like, I heard there's heavy things at the gym. I don't like picking up heavy things.
Hey.
There is also very light things, so you don't have to lift the heavy things, Juice. So Nasdaq going really bullish now after that news, and USD still chilling.
USD has been this dark horse. It's like on a complete side quest on its own.
Yeah. It's either like really paying some people lately, or you just, that's a headache, bro. It's been a headache lately. Hey, what's up, Ethan? USD putting a little shift here. We know when Keys is locked in is when the two fingers on the chin.
2 fingers on the chin.
On the cheek. Yes, there's no joke, your cheeks are gonna cry. Bro, we already did 60 pips, so we're chilling, bro. We're chilling.
Would you like the breakout on US30 though?
Which way?
To the upside.
To the upside, I think that would be solid.
Or would you like a fake out on the range low?
Thing is, I'd love the move to the top side, but what I look at, I feel it's going to be a move to the downside. So if I analyze like what I'm looking at here and everything, it's a move to the downside. But I'd love the move back to go retest there. So this thing's just stuck at those Asia lows.
What, US30?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm expecting a range though for it.
Primo, the time is the evening. Our other halves won't let us monitor the trades. They want to put their legs on our laps and tell us about their day and how they saw their enemies. There's still a liquidity sweep to take. I would recommend a sell to the liquidity sweep and then buy. It's Imzo. I'm going to just say this very kindly, brother. It's a little jab, but kindly. I don't know if I'm going to take advice from the guy that lost today. The same way you guys give me shit, like, we don't know what we're doing when we lose. I'm with you. I like the sells. But liquidity, I don't know, bro. I don't know if that's a liquidity sweep. Because this is just messy now.
Another day. If Asia lows can hold, weekly S2 still in the middle of that opening range. Yo, my chest is starting to hurt now badly. Oh. Me and Laz, Dadbot squad.
The Dadbot squad. They're very crippled here now.
Laz, the sauna nuked Laz, and my chest is just nuked. Not even the sauna.
Hey, boys.
Gold below 27.35. NAS also Asia highs now, just consolidating. US 30 looking like it wants to hold those Asia lows.
Trying, bro. It's trying. Don't know if it's doing a good job, but it's trying. I think if it can get above the weekly S2, then I think there's some potential, yeah. When we do a challenge giveaway, we did one this morning, my brother. Well, first thing in the morning and first thing of the stream, so you were late. We can't help with that.
I was gonna pick quick kicks. Pierino.
What's everything else doing? Nasdaq holding over there. Nasdaq can still fight back as well. USD, I mean, it's holding those lows, so it's not bad. Yeah, high time frames. I don't know. I don't love what we're seeing here. There, guys. I don't think I'm gonna take an open range trade. This is just, it's messy now. It's just messy now. Gold is a sell, guys. Head and oh, yo. And Zo, my brother, we're gonna time you out very shortly, my man. We can't have you keep just giving calls out here and they're not helping the community. Gold, I think if gold gets under that EQ, it's game on there for it.
Who missed out again?
Missed out.
Hey, what's gold is a sell, guys. It's a sell. It's a sell. Says Mr. It's Mzo.
Yeah, brother's been having a little time out there by himself.
Mzozo. Yeah, dollar is struggling to get off that daily S1. Massive rejection there. GU. Yo, GU is looking spicy, my dude. Spicy. Chad, we were 5 seconds engulfing, took the high. Weekly S1, there's that key level. Let me just refine this. We've got 2 levels to take it. Let me just clear this up a little bit. There's that minor support level. There's it, engulfing. Closure back in the range. Yeah, Chad, I think the safer one for me is gonna be if we can reject this weekly S1, and then the super safe entry is gonna be below here for me if we break here. Daily R1. Otherwise, we've held the daily R1, and I think once we get above here, what's that, we can start showing. There's gold. There's that retest 27.35 we spoke about this morning. There's your breaks below the 200. Very nice. I'm taking a little bit of a break from gold, but I'll just monitor it. And then US 30. Keegs, what's your rate? Open range low, open range high, and test the
Bro, I don't know.
Huh? Feeling.
This thing can do some damage to some guys, yeah.
You're right, it can hurt some people. DXY, okay. Yeah, Chad, the fact that DXY is not getting off these daily S1s is concerning. There's the 2 rejections. So, yeah. And then GU. GU, I'm definitely more inclined towards the shorts for me personally. And the thing is, this 15 still closed bullish. Bottom wick, top wick, quite choppy. Yeah, GJ is struggling here for direction. 30-minute close below, above that level. This next 30 minutes, what can it do? Yes, dude, I want to bang along on this thing so badly, but
Bro, I'm not. This fucking US study is like, oh, bro, this thing's hurting people now. Because if you're not waiting, there's your rejection again. Come on, play nice.
Keegs, you're only young once, my bro. I'm just saying, if you want to be aggressive, now's your time to be aggressive.
Yeah.
We had a fake out here, even if you want to wait for some type of double bottom.
Yo, bro, this thing's gonna hurt people, yeah.
Am I aggressive? I'm not really an aggressive type. Don't tell me this is GJ going on. You flippin' animal. This thing is an animal. This thing is an absolute animal.
Higher time frames, this thing looks like it's gonna melt.
This is the weekly high, am I right? Is this? Oh, that's. I don't know. I don't know, weekly highs up to. Chad, this GJ is like that one. What did I do here, bro? I've seen this movie so many times, but it's a case of, do I want to be in the movie? That's the question. Do I want to partake of this movie? Oh, Chad. Keys, what did I? If you tell me now, Chris, go for it, that liquidity is going to get swept, I go for it. If you say, Chris, hold that bullet for tomorrow, I'll hold it. They have to be quick, because once we break these session hours, this thing could be gone.
Go for it, bro.
No, that is no.
You're only young once, bro.
Dude, I said bad, good cop, bad. You can't go bad cop, bad cop. Dude, what are you doing? What are you doing? No, Keeks.
I'm keeping you young, bro.
Thought, I went bad cop there and you went bad cop as well. No, man.
I'm keeping you there, bro.
Yasty, man. Go for it. Shasty. This thing looks juicy, my dude. This thing looks juicy. GU. Oh yeah, this thing goes. Fuck's sakes. Sorry, Chad, for that. For those harsh words. Nah. What is US30 doing? Okay, but talk me through your plan. Yeah, I just wanna. What is your thinking now? We've got the open range.
Bro, I like the cells, but it's just
okay. So we had a break below there. We had another test trying to get away there. This looks very similar, if I'm not mistaken, to Monday. Let's quickly go to Monday. Monday.
We've tested it. We've held it. We pulled back in, came back down for this final test. It's like that last bit of a pull, but you can see this time the push away, we couldn't get away like we did last time. So that momentum's definitely slowing down. And like that's just, I don't know if it was Monday or Tuesday, and then eventually this thing's gonna break and it's gonna fall.
Dude, I actually think it was Monday, Keeks. Yeah, here's it.
You just got to sit it out.
Chad, here's it. Keegan's referring to this. I've seen that exact same thing. Give me 1 second. 1544. Okay, that was the opening range though. Yeah, here it was, Keeks. This was it. It looked very familiar. It was Monday. We opened up. Oh yeah, it was quite a wide opening range. There you are. Yeah, there was that first bounce, Keeks. Then it played with the guys. It came back in. There it looked like it held. And then round about this time, exactly this time, snapped. And then once it snapped, it was like gonzo, poof, gone. So you're right. Keeks, my bro, what are we doing here? I feel like this was the move there. If you were gonna go for that engulfing there. And also you've got that idea that we can potentially push bullish just because we've been down so much. Like guys are gonna try and scoop up a little bargain.
Yeah.
But I hear you.
I mean, like two minds here, bro.
What is your target on this open range? You target the entire open range or 80% of it?
So basically it comes down to however we manage in. So if let's say you took that long there, your 30 pip, whatever, like let's just say that was it. Now you entered a 30 pip stop. Obviously the full range is a 2.7, so we probably would have just said then 2 to be very conservative.
Yeah, Peter, technically, on a technical basis, Peter, this is your confirmation. There's your bullish engulfing. We've tested it now multiple times. The likelihood is that it can go for that open range high, but I felt like, when I told Keegan to be aggressive, I felt like that was the one. But I actually think it's better to walk away. I feel it's actually better to walk away. What time is
This
it?
is choppy, bro. It's 4 minutes before we normally call it, and this is super choppy.
I'm thinking you're gonna get a move for London close. Chad, I'm gonna be honest with you guys. I will potentially look for something very quick a little bit later with London close. It's in about, what is that? An hour and a half. So what is that? 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock, round about 6 o'clock. If we can trade or break structure lower here at London close, you usually get quite a bit of volume there. I'm going to look for a potential position there. Other than that, that's me for the day. Then GJ is just playing with people's personalities here. Gold, beautiful move. Beautiful move. Where's the daily flip? Yeah, this is going to be ugly if this thing flips bearish on the daily. This is going to be really... Dude, I don't think I know how to trade gold anymore. No, I'm honest. Honestly, it's either I don't know how to trade gold anymore, or there's just not setups. If I'm very honest, the only setup that was valid here for me today was this setup here. There was your minor break of structure, but even there, no top wick. GU. Might need to tell my wife I'm coming home late. £50, dude. That is a bargain. Can't even get a wrap at Kauai for £50. You'll get the condiments for it. Yeah, Peter, if gold flips bearish on the day, that thing is really gonna penetrate some guys in a wrong way. I told you guys this morning that I'm rather looking for the sells, just purely based on the structure. So, but GU could be wrong on it. This could be a shift, but I'm looking for those shorts, Chad. Here's the thing now, do I want to be in a trade while I drive home?
Zane, there's a big yellow sticker on the right and the left, my brother. Discount code 2Gs. I don't know where you're looking on the screen if you don't see it.
No, fib levels work. Myth graphics, fib levels work, definitely.
No, they definitely do work.
Fib levels definitely work. It's just a case of using them consistently. I went long on US 30. Damn. Yo, this is tough now. I'm not gonna lie, Chad. This for me on US 30 is tough now, because of two reasons. Two reasons why this is tough now. Because you had the impulse leg down. I just want to show you guys this. That was the impulse leg. All of this could just be the correction before the next impulse leg down. Okay. And the only way that is not the case is if we can break this neckline here, because look on a line chart, you've got this type of consolidation. So it's created a low, it's created a high. So for it to actually start breaking this order flow down, you need to get above that Asia range. So it needs to hold above here, and I think you're solid once you get above here.
Nah, Zane, all good, bro, all good.
So I still feel this was the play, that one there, but it's again, the opening range for me is still something that I need to figure out how you trade it, because do you trade it like a fake out, Keegs? Because technically there we came back in there, almost like a little double bottom. Yeah, again, 5 minute I feel is like it's too far away from, like, what's your stop gonna be? Oh, your stop is inside the 5 minute candle. And then GU. GU, what are you doing to me, my brother?
Nah, this is messy price action here, bro, for me.
There it goes. There it goes, yeah. That's a beautiful close. If it closes like this. Beautiful, beautiful. Oh wait, I'll chat to the guys. Definitely we can.
Well, I think that's the session.
That's
then,
the
if you're not
session,
gonna
yeah.
I'm not gonna take anything.
No, I'm just gonna.
This is way too messy for me.
I'm just gonna take this off stream here. Yeah. Alright, let's quickly end it so I can take this off stream, please. Alright, ready to go full screen.
Ready, brother.
Let's wrap it up. Wrap it up.
Alright, guys. So, yeah, Cracker tying it all up going into tomorrow. So, let's see if the Cracker can finish strong. Was a good session. I think the fact we know we always look for 2 trades, it gets almost a bit bleak to the end if we can't get the open range trade. But the Cracker is still delivering as usual. So, being a tough one. I think guys are a bit morbid after having 2 losses. But the Cracker coming back today and yesterday. Yesterday being an amazing trade by it, and today giving us one of those quick ones. But Chris, any closing remarks from you, brother?
No, I think it's a solid week so far. So it's basically 2 out of 4. Tomorrow, like you mentioned, tiebreakers. So come back refreshed and renewed, Chad. Don't get yourselves into trouble now for the rest of the session. Come back tomorrow fresh, refreshed and renewed.
There we go. So as always, guys, we're going to see you guys bright and early tomorrow for Friday Forgotten Bangers in the London session.
Oh yeah, get it ready. Sorry guys, just make sure, please come prepared. We're going to share the link in the morning.
And then obviously going into New York to see what the Cracker can do if it can win the series. But yeah, from Chris and myself, as always, guys, take care of yourselves, take care of each other. Peace and love, baby. Cheers.
Cheers, cheers.
For you, even when there's nothing, you always make up something. You know I try to pray for you. Even when we're touching, you always make a fuss. Okay, I'm patient. Don't test my patience. I'm trying to pace it. You kept me waiting. I try to pray for you. Okay, I'm patient. It cannot wait 'cause you test my patience. I try to pray for you. For you, for you. I try to pray 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 for you. For you. For you. I try to pray for you. For you. ready for you. Artificial love, we just make it up, 'cause reality will never be good enough. And even if it was, we just mess it up, 'cause we already lost, addicted to the rush. I never meant to fall. All I wanted was a touch of artificial love. We just make it up, 'cause reality will never be good enough. And even if it was, we just mess it up. Artificial love. Artificial love. Artificial love. We just make it up, 'cause reality will never be good enough. And even if it was, we just mess it up, 'cause we already lost, addicted to the rush. I never meant to fall. All I wanted was a touch, 'cause we already lost, addicted to the rush. I never meant to fall. All I wanted was a touch. Artificial love. Artificial love. Artificial love. We just make it up, 'cause reality will never be good enough. And even if it was, we just mess it up. How can you know what's in our mind, when in between the good and bad there's such a thin line? How can you know what's in our heart, when often hate motivates and love tears you apart? Artificial love. Artificial love. Artificial love. We just make it